stop applying the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant to your face every single day. This fatal mistake is not only a massive waste of your money, but it is silently destroying your skin barrier. It takes exactly 30 days for a rough, bumpy complexion to transform into smooth, glass skin using this chemical exfoliant. But only if you use it correctly. In today's video, we are going to expose the 3 skin-wrecking mistakes almost everyone makes with this product. I will walk you through a foolproof 4-step routine to maximize the power of salicylic acid. Most importantly, we will finally decode the difference between normal purging and a severe breakout. Let us dive straight into the first massive mistake, which is abusing the frequency of application. When you first introduce this liquid exfoliant to your skincare routine, your skin experiences a sudden shock. Slathering it on daily right from the start overloads your skin, leading to redness and severe irritation. You must build tolerance slowly. The second mistake is applying this BHA on a damp face. Salicylic acid is all-soluble and designed to penetrate deep into your pores to dissolve hardened sebum and blackheads. If you apply it while your skin is still wet, you increase the penetration rate drastically. This sudden surge can easily cause chemical burns and intense stinging. Always pat your face completely dry before letting this liquid touch your skin. The third, and perhaps the most common mistake, is skipping the recovery phase. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, which temporarily leaves your skin barrier vulnerable. If you do not follow up with soothing ingredients like niacinamide or vitamin B5, your barrier will eventually collapse. You cannot just strip the skin, you must rebuild it simultaneously. So, how do we use this cult favorite product the right way? Here is the exact step-by-step routine you need to follow. First, after cleansing and drying your face completely, dispense a few drops of the liquid. You can use a cotton pad for a gentle sweeping motion, but honestly, pouring a few drops directly into your palms and patting it and saves so much product. Once applied, you must wait about 15 to 20 minutes before moving on to your next step. This wait time is crucial because the pH level of the acid needs time to neutralize the bacteria and unclog those large pores effectively. Now, let us talk about the texture. You will notice it feels slightly sticky or tacky on the skin after application. Do not panic, as this is completely normal. That stickiness comes from the penetration enhancers formulated by Paula's Choice to help the salicylic acid sink deeper into your skin layers. Just let it absorb, and that sticky feeling will minimize once you apply your moisturizer. Now, let us address the biggest fear that holds people back. How do you know if you are purging or just having a terrible breakout? This is a critical distinction you need to understand. Purging happens when the BHA accelerates your skin cell turnover, bringing existing microcomedons to the surface faster. You will typically see these pimples in areas where you normally get breakouts, and they tend to heal very quickly without severe itching. On the other hand, a breakout or allergic reaction is your skin crying for help. If you start seeing tiny water blisters, red angry bumps in areas where your skin is usually clear, or if you feel a prolonged burning and stinging sensation, that is a breakout. If that happens, you need to wash it off immediately and focus solely on barrier repair. Speaking of protecting your skin, we need to talk about where you are getting your products. Because the Paula's Choice 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant is incredibly famous, the market is absolutely flooded with fake, counterfeit versions. Applying a fake, unregulated acid to your face is the fastest way to permanently ruin your complexion. For absolute peace of mind, I always purchase mine directly from the official Amazon storefront. I have placed the direct, verified Amazon link right at the very top of the video description below. Click that link to check today's current price and ensure you are getting the authentic formula. To sum it all up, the Paula's Choice 2% BHA is a heavy-duty weapon for achieving clear skin. Treat it with respect, build your tolerance slowly, and always remember to nourish your skin barrier afterwards if you accidentally over-exfoliated. and are dealing with a compromised skin barrier right now, do not panic. Click the video on your screen right now, where I guide you through an emergency barrier repair routine to soothe your skin fast. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in that next video.